Package bearings provide a preset assembly that comes greased and sealed. The internal clearances are set so you don't need to adjust the bearing. After removing the steering knuckle from the vehicle, remove the bearing retaining snap ring. Press the hub stud out of the bearing using the appropriate tooling to prevent damage to the knuckle. Remove the disc brake dust shield and press the bearing out of the steering knuckle. Before we start installing the new bearing, we need to do some cleanup and inspection. Check the steering knuckle for any debris, nicks, or burrs. Also take a look at the seating surfaces for the new bearing. If you see any problems, remove them with a fine file, wire brush, emery cloth, or honing stone. Do not use a powered abrasive device that could change the bearing seat diameter. That dimension is critical to bearing retention. Check for the seal encoder to make sure the bearing is facing the right direction. You can do that by using a metal paper clip to find a magnetic seal. That side faces inboard. Press the new bearing into the steering knuckle. The outside diameter of the tooling surface has to be large enough to support the outer race of the bearing assembly while pressing the bearing in. Install the new retaining snap ring and reinstall the dust shield and torque the bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Then press the new hub stud assembly that was supplied with the kit into the new bearing assembly. Support the bearing inner race when you press the new hub stud assembly in. If you don't, you could damage the bearing. I'm Rick Dahman, and this has been a Timken Tricks of the Trade video helping you build your service knowledge.